So guys, I want to cook beans and plantain. Orishi beans and plantain. Again, plantain after how to the beans. As you can see, I don't want to use ripe plantain. So now this one I want to use to cook the beans. And just small beans I want to cook. Over beans in Orishi for only for today. Only for this night. I don't want to use some more. So guys, I'm using these four things. This one, you know, pepper and the onions and salt and pepper and the chicken sauce. So I want to add it together. So I mix it and together. See this is I cut it to big. I cut around to that big because I'm a mama, so that's why I cut it like this. This plantain no ripe, so plantain after. So I can use the beans. I don't want to use the ripe one. And this one I want to. So guys, see, I don't want to add anything. I don't want to use crayfish. I don't want to use fish. So I don't want to use red oil. On cake, I'm at war. Plantain and beans. You don't need protein now. Okay, you can't come now. Mama Jimmy. Boy. Eh? What is it? Are you dog? So now let's over stew. Now I want to add little. Just the small stew. I don't want to use anything oil. Just because of the meat. So another start to cook beans, so another part to cook beans, so now this thing can shit today. Tell me add anything raw oil, everything crayfish. I just add little crayfish, small crayfish. I just add it. I have got one beans in the shina. Is it porridge beans? I'll give a name. I'm going to throw far all the beans. When I see the beans is ready, the beans is ready. So when I come join me and eat. Don't worry, I will show my mouth when I'm eating the food. Come on, you try again home. This is up for. Look at it here. Let's go and enjoy our food. Let's go and enjoy my beans, Joe. And get my beans in enjoyment. You can. Don't worry, I'm gonna go soon. Even maybe I think this video too long. The problem that I don't get this video past